Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We are cracking open a super secret math toolkit today. We're going to see if we can unlock the mystery of percentages together and find some pretty incredible math cheat codes. If you've ever looked at the battery symbol on a tablet or maybe a sale sign in a store and wondered exactly how those numbers actually work, you are in the exact right place. We're going to build up our skills step by step and figure this whole thing out.
So let's jump right in. Have you ever had a coach, a teacher, or maybe a parent look you dead in the eye and say, "I need you to give 110% effort today out there on the field"? It sounds pretty awesome, right? It sounds like you're going totally above and beyond. Well, let's look at this through our new math toolkit.
Guess what? We're about to bust a massive myth right now. In the mathematical world, giving 110% effort is actually completely impossible. Why? Because the magic number is 100. 100% represents the whole amount. It means all of it. So if you are giving all of your effort, you are giving 100%. That is the absolute maximum effort you can possibly give. You literally cannot give more than everything you have.
All right, let's look at Section 1, the out of 100 rule. The secret here is actually hiding right in the name itself. The word percent isn't just some random confusing math term. It literally translates to out of 100. Think about it. There are 100 cents in a dollar, right? And 100 years in a century. So whenever you say percent, you are literally just saying out of 100. It's just a really fun, simple way of showing parts of a whole thing.
Let's picture it like this, to make it super easy. Imagine a giant square, but it's chopped up into 100 tiny, perfectly equal puzzle pieces, like a giant chocolate bar. If you take a marker and color in just one single tiny square, well, you've got exactly 1%. Color in 50 of those tiny parts. Boom, you have exactly 50%. When you picture that grid in your head, percentages suddenly stop being scary numbers and just become puzzle pieces of a bigger picture.
Moving on to Section 2. Meet the Math Twins.
Okay, so percentages might seem like this totally new, unique type of math, but honestly, deep down, they are masters of disguise. They're actually the exact same thing as fractions and decimals that you probably already know. Like 50% is literally just a disguised version of the fraction 1/2, or the decimal 0.5. 25%, that's just 1/4. 10% is 1/10, and 75% is exactly the same as 3/4. Underneath their disguises, they are math twins. Once you start recognizing these twins, math gets so much faster.
You can really see how these twins fit together perfectly here. If we have a circle split into two slices, where one is 75% and the other is 25%, together they make up our whole 100%. But using our math twins trick, you could just say this is 3/4 and 1/4. See how perfectly that lines up? Same exact thing, we're just using different words to describe the same picture.
Here we go with Section 3, shortcuts and fancy moves.
This is where it gets really fun. We absolutely don't need endless pages of long division for this stuff, because we've got cheat codes. Need 50% of something? Just divide the total amount by 2. Super easy. Need 25%? Divide by 4. If you want 10%, you just divide by 10. And to find a tiny 1%, simply divide the whole thing by 100. Memorize those 4 little one-step shortcuts, and you basically just gave yourself mathematical superpowers.
And hey, let me give you a super secret pro tip for finding that 25%. We just saw that you can divide by 4, right? But sometimes, doing that in your head with a big number is kind of intimidating. So try this instead. Cut the number in half, and then just cut it in half again. It's the exact same mathematical move, but doing it in 2 easy steps, divide by 2, then divide by 2 again, makes finding a quarter of something an absolute breeze.
All right, get ready. Section 4. The boss level. Building percentages.
Okay, here's the absolute coolest part of all this. You can build almost any complex percentage just by stacking your simple shortcuts together. Let's say you have to find 65% of a number. That sounds pretty terrifying, right? No way. Watch how we break it down. Step 1, use your shortcut for 50%. Just chop the number in half. Step 2, use the shortcut for 10% by dividing by 10. Step 3, find 5%, which is super easy because it's literally just exactly half of that 10% you just found. And finally, step 4, add your answers for 50%, 10%, and 5% all together. 50 plus 10 plus 5 equals 65. Boom! You just defeated the boss level and mentally calculated 65% by treating it like a fun puzzle.
We have covered so much awesome ground in this explainer today. From figuring out that 100% is the absolute maximum, all the way to stacking cheat codes to beat the boss level. So I have a challenge for you today. Look around you. Whether you're checking the battery life on a device, looking at a download progress bar, or maybe seeing a half-price sale sign at a store, can you spot a math twin out in the wild? See if you can use your brand new secret toolkit to mentally calculate simple percentages in everyday life. Keep learning, keep picturing those 100 square grids, and I'll catch you on the next explainer.